Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be playing the first color of the theme picks. Wait, first letter of the theme picks the color that I have to wear for the theme, obviously. But yeah, let's try this challenge, and you guys should try it too. So this is just like the tutorial on how you can actually play the challenge. So I'm just going to wait for the theme, and whatever pops up. For instance, it's the theme is dream job. So I have to figure out a color starting with D, what is a color that starts with a D? I don't I don't know, but we're going to try. I mean, I'll Google colors that start with that letter if I can't find it, cuz right now I don't know. Main character, magenta, I guess. Hold on, let me see. Oh, maroon works also. Main character outfits, main character maroon. I'm just trying to find characters that are kind of maroon. Oh my god, let's do Mrs. Incredibles. I know she's red, but at this point I don't know what to choose. Oh, Mother Gothel. She is maroon. Hold on, let me open up. I know she's not the main character, but I don't care. I know I'm not going to get a lot of votes for this, but I really don't have much choice. She has green eyes, so I'm going to change that. There. Don't ask me how I already have that outfit. I just do. Okay, for the I don't know which corset I should use. I'm just going to use this one and no bows. Hello? Okay, there we go. She has kind of a gold accent. Is this too bright for it to be a maroon color? I might make it a little bit darker here. I might save that. Wait, did it even save? Okay, there we go. Okay, and then for the skirt, I'm just going to use this one. Oh, now I cannot see the corset. Sorry, I'm just adjusting the colors here a little bit. It's not really there. What else? Her sleeves. I think I'm going to use the Elsa ones. I'm looking at a reference picture right now. Does she wear any shoes? Yes, she does. I'm just going to add a cape real quick. Only cape light air. I'm going to color that black. I mean, she does wear this in certain scenes, so that's what I'm gonna wear. And then for the shoes, I'm going to use, oops, wrong one. I mean, I'm going to try to use this belt maybe. Can't even see that. I'm trying to make it like that gold color. Okay, apparently I can't change that, so. Can't even see the difference. I'm removing that. What about this one? No, it looks weird. I think that's it. Like, what else am I supposed to add, you know? I'm gonna try the other corset though and like see if that's a little bit better. I think this is a little bit better actually. Okay. We'll do that one instead. Let's remove this one then. I don't know why I spent so much time on that. Okay, that's it. That's enough. Okay, interesting. Mermaid. How long is this video? 7 minutes? Oh my god. I'll give it a 2 because I'm being degenerous. Degenerous? I'm not Ellen. I'm gonna give it a 2. Marine. Oh, probably should have given it a 3. Oh, okay. So, no, I'm not gonna give it a star. I know I'm like that, not the main character, but like, still, what is this, honey? Anyways, I need to type in Mother God. Okay, it's giving green screen. I mean, I'm sorry, I'm gonna give it a 1. Like, I know I'm not the main character again. Like, I told you this so many times, but. Okay, next. Okay, it's alright. I mean, Princess Tiana. Okay, I'll give it a 2. I'll give it a 3. Because I'm being generous today. Mother Gothel. Okay, I know I'm not the main character. Whatever. Wow. Oh, at least somebody said wow. Thank you. Oh, okay. Is this like a Monster High thing? I'm not sure. I mean, I'll give it a 2 for creativity and maybe they used my tutorial, but. Slay. How long is this video? Oh, it's almost 10 minutes. So bear with me on this. Oh my god. Oh my god. I completely forgot about Moana. I don't like the face, but I'll give it a 4 because I know what it was. I'm gonna type like slay. Slay, oh my god. There. Can this be the last one? Okay, this one is like what? Who are you? Okay, girl, keep posing. Anyways, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!